Alright, so unboxing ng WAVLINK AC1200. Yan yung sura niya. Yan. Sabi, antay na 4x BGI. Yes, 4. Pero yun. So we have 2 LAN ports and 1 gigabit port na both kaya is sabi dito 1000 Mbps or in gigabit per second is 1 Gbps. Yan, see 1 sa giga means 1000, mega means 100. Dual band siya, so may 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Okay, unbox na natin. Alright, so yan yung laman ng box. Yung main router, yan o, sabi WAVLINK see the world. Then yung kanyang power cord, power adapter sa likod yan, and yung kanyang LAN cable, which is I don't know if this is Cat 5 or Cat 6, whatever, basta LAN cable kasama niya yung box niya. And yung instruction manual and safety information, or meron din I think warranty card to. Oh yes. Yan yung laman ng box. Kita ko lang konti yung router. So yeah, pre-built na yung antenna nito. Okay. Yan. So if vertical, ganyan. Oops. Ganyan yung tsura niya pag vertical. Pag nakaupo siya. Pero pag once na pwedeng ganito yung orientation. Pag nakasabit siya sa wall, parang ganito yung orientation niya. Yan. So, yep. That's it.